Good afternoon, true fam. This is Phon-Er Gold. We are on vlog 183 and we are on our way to pick up iPhone 7 Space matte black screen so we can repair it locally in North Hollywood area, which is kind of like the valley. So we're almost there. We're on the corner of Lower Canyon and Sherman Way right now, and we are gonna get that part in a minute. In a hot minute actually, because it's gonna be quick, and then we're gonna meet him up at Starbucks and take care of our boy. So just called us from Yelp at 7:20 in the morning, and actually 6:20 in the morning, and asked us if we can do it then. But my vendor opens up at 8:30, so now it's 8:35. So that's why I had to kind of tell him to just wait a bit at 2 hours, and he said no problem. So that's pretty much it. We'll see you guys when we get there. Thank you for watching, and stay true, and I'll see you soon. Peace. Bye for now. Hey guys, we just got here at Starbucks in NoHo, North Hollywood, California, and we are about to fix the iPhone 7 matte black. So we'll see you inside in a bit. Hey guys, I'm still waiting for my customer to come at the iPhone 7. So iPhone 7 is late. It's running 10 minutes late, and so I got myself a spinach breakfast wrap. Pretty yummy with this cool fresh ring. I made some yesterday or so. Hey guys, so he never showed up. He was a waste of my time, but it's okay. I'm keeping my zen up and my energy high. It just I kind of figured he would be a miss, because he kept asking to lower the price, even though I haven't lowered it any at the store, even Apple Store or shops. But I guess people just don't know how to appreciate, which is okay. I mean, they'll meet the right person one day and they'll appreciate me, so that's fine. In the meantime, I'm going to, since I couldn't show you any repair since you've been watching, I want to share something with you. It's pretty much a lottery that my mom won last night at 8 p.m. She went to a liquor store to buy some, I think she was buying something. No, she just went there to buy the scratchers because she saw like a dream or something. So she went and she won $1,000, and that's right there, as you can see. The gold bonus, the first left gold bonus. She won $1,000. So pretty much yeah, so she asked me to cash for her because she didn't want to go all the way to Van Nuys, because that's where you can just kind of submit this ticket in person, and she didn't really trust the mailing it in, because someone can just literally grab it and just like turn it in themselves. So that's what she thought. Anyways, but so I just thought, why not, you know, help my mom out, because she's my mom and I love her to death, and don't we all, obviously, right? Unless you hate your mom, then don't. Try to make love and try to create love, and don't ever kill that bond of moms that are like priceless, and you only get one, so cherish them, don't perish them. That's the takeaway. Hey guys, I'll be out, and I'll just see you guys in vlog 184. This is Phon-Er Gold, and aka FRE from my other channel, Unfiltered F. Check it out, it's kind of cool. I do other stuff there. It's called Unfiltered F, or just put Unfiltered F and it'll show up, or just put my phone number, and whatever you search you'll find it. But then you also see at the end of this video the direct link, so check it out and let me know what you think. Phon-Er out. Peace. Cut. That's a wrap.